New from Westgate Manufacturing, meet the WAE series, a 10-inch wide LED Economy Wrap-Around Fixture designed to deliver performance, flexibility, and unbeatable value for both commercial and residential spaces. The WAEW offers field-selectable wattage and CCT, all while delivering high-efficiency performance at 120 lumens per watt, with 30, 40, or 50 watts selectable, and the ability to switch between 3000K, 4000K, and 5000. The extra-wide 10-inch lens provides bright, uniform illumination perfect for offices and schools. The WAEW series is available in 3 different models, all featuring flicker-free 0 to 10-volt dimming, giving you the flexibility to choose exactly what your project needs. Choose between a standard flicker-free dimmable model, a model with a factory-installed motion sensor, or a model that combines emergency battery backup with motion sensing for added safety and code compliance. For projects on tight timelines, QuickShip options are available, with easy-to-install rear-mounting brackets. The WAEW supports quick surface or suspension mounting without compromising performance or long-term reliability. The WAEW is ETL listed and DLC 5.1 standard listed, and built to Westgate's trusted quality standards, making it a smart, rebate-eligible choice for energy-efficient lighting. 1 fixture, multiple outputs, 3 model options. That's the power of the WAEW Wrap-Around series from Westgate. To learn more, scan the QR code on screen, or at westgatemfg.com, search WAEW. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.